Hi everyone, this is the 7th video of the Paint.net tutorial, so make sure that you've watched the previous videos. In today's video, we're going to continue the work we did in the last video. Now we only have the outline, so what we need to do is to put color on the pig. The tool we're going to need is the paint bucket tool. The paint bucket tool can fill color in a closed area. For example, we first pick the color we want. Make sure that the color you want is at the primary color, and we put our paint bucket on the area we want and just click. Then we'll fill the area with the color we want. The nose part may be a darker pink, and the face may be lighter pink. Now we finished the main part, so let's start to work on the background. The background actually is built from two layers: the main background and the color of our words. As we know, if we want our words to show but won't hide our pig, the layer must be on the top of the background but under the layer of pig. So what we need to do is to create a layer which is in the middle. Next, we choose the background color we want and use the paint bucket tool to fill the entire layer. Next, let's move on to the words. It's actually drawn from the eraser tool. The feature of the eraser is the same as the eraser we use in our daily life. Let's go to a new black canvas. How the eraser works is also just hold the left click and drag. As you can see, it erased the black paint, and we can also choose the hardness and the size of the eraser. So we use the eraser tool to write P, I, and G. Next, we're going to start the background. We're using the gradient tool. The gradient tool is a tool that can make your primary color change gradually to the secondary color. For example, I just hold my left click and drag. You can see that one color change continually to another color. You can also choose the style of your gradient. Your gradient can be like this, or like this. There are some more options. You can just try it if you want it. So what we need to do is choose two colors we want and use the gradient tool to draw our background. And now you can see that one picture is finished. So this is the end of today's video. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and hope you enjoy it. Bye!